Yo, what is up, everybody? This is Cushion Tech here, and today I'm gonna be talking to you about like tools every self-taught developer should use, or for people who want to become a self-taught developer, they can use all those tools to help them achieve their dream of becoming a developer. All right, let's begin. GitHub is a really good and excellent and popular tool to use when let's see for self-taught developers, because like in GitHub it's basically like social media except only for code and developers, because people can post their because self-taught developers can post their codes on GitHub and their projects, and a recruiter could reach out to them and they can have a higher chance of like getting hired, and they can have a higher chance of getting the job if their programming skills are in there. Git is Git is also another good tool for self-taught developers, because if you use Git, then like Git will make you like, let's see, good enough to like for a good enough developer, and like using the Git function can help you can help you, let's see, make your commit to GitHub, and using Git like can also like help you like learn different technologies and all that. A computer is a must for all developers, especially a must for self-taught developers, because like you're going to be at home as a self-taught developer, you're going to be at home most of the time, and in order to program you need a computer, and in order to learn stuff, like to create your own projects, you need a computer. You can't just do it on like a phone or like any other mini device, because like they don't offer text editing apps, and they don't offer all the keys. Well, computers offer so many keys. Reliable internet is a must for all developers, is a must for like all developers because let's see, if you like let's see like because like you cannot program with if you don't have internet, and you cannot run your files and you cannot run the code without any internet, so you're gonna have to have some form of internet in order to like code. Visual Studio Code is an important tool for all self-taught developers, or anyone who wants to become self-taught, because like it's the best IDE, or integrated development environment, to use, because it has so many files. It auto selects your language. It can auto detect what programming language you use, and like the background is so beautiful, and like you can run your own code files and like the outputs and inputs, and like what it would output and input on there. Leak code is also another good way to let's see, for self-taught, good tool for self-taught developers, because like leak code, let's see, has practice problems, and like anyone can improve their self-taught developers, and it's good for the logic development for for self-taught developers logics. They could simply like solve the leak code problem, and if they don't, and they can read off other people's solutions and understand how the solutions work. And leak code is a good tool for software, for like self-taught developers. Free Code Camp is also another Free Code Camp is also another good website for like self-taught developers, because like Free Code Camp can like free you can learn so many things on Free Code Camp. That it offers a wide variety of programming options, and Free Code Camp is probably the best one to do. Stack Overflow is also another good tool to use, because Stack Overflow, let's see, has a has tools you can use to find out like like has tools you can use to find out what to code and not. It also tells you what errors you're encountering, and it can help you solve your errors by and like how to solve errors. It also shows you what's wrong with the code and all that. YouTube videos are also a good tool for self-taught developers because there are many YouTube videos on YouTube that show coding tutorials and basic programming concepts, and you can simply just learn from there rather than going to school and learning it from there. Unity is also another good tool for self-taught developers because many self-taught developers want to build their own games, and like to build their own games, Unity's the best thing because like it provides you with creativity and other things. Geeks for Geeks is also another good website and tool to use when for like self-taught developers because it teaches you it has basic programming tutorials, and it has basic, programming tutorials, and it has basic ways on how to code and all that. The library offers like so many technology books related to programming technology, and you can simply learn how to code and use technology and become a self-taught developer just simply reading library books rather than just going to school all day and just studying there, because you don't really need a college degree to become a developer. You can just self-taught everything yourself and all that, but it's better to get a college degree. But it's better to get a college degree